This is Kanagaraj Arunthadhy. Today I am here with the next set of questions. This is the 19th question set. The first sub question is: two new students have been admitted to grade 11 of this school. Their details are listed in the table below. Enter the information in the student table. So here is the ER diagram of our database which we have drew in the previous videos, and you can see the exam mark DB is here. This is the class table, exam term table, and the student table, student exam mark record table, finally the subject table. So we need to insert data to the student table of this DB. So let's start inserting data to the student table. Here is the student table. We need to insert data for this table. So here is the query to insert data. This query says insert into exam marks DB the database to student table. Columns are index number, first name, last name, gender, contact number, class ID. We need to insert data to class ID column also. And the values are, you can see the values are here. To insert data to the class ID, we need to use a subquery. The subquery is select class ID from exam marks DB, the database, class table, where class name equals 11A. So from the class table, we select the class name 11A and we insert into query. So let's execute this. After refreshing, you can see the row has been added to the table. So here is the last row in this table. Let's move to the next question. Index number STU004, student's last name should be changed to Moses. Write the relevant SQL query. So now we need to change the last name of the student as Moses. Let's write the query for it. So here is the query. The query says update student table, set last name equals Moses where index number equals STU004. Let's execute this. I'm refreshing. You can see the name has been changed to Moses. Let's move to the next question. The next one is Natasha Vimalasena student's contact number should be changed to this one. Write the relevant SQL query. So now we need to change the student's contact number. So here is the query for that. Update student table, set contact number where first name equals Natasha and last name equals Vimalasena. So let's execute this. This is the current number of the students. After refreshing, you can see the number has been changed to the requirement. Let's move to the next question. The next one is Natasha Vimalasena transferred school before the first term examination. Therefore, remove the information about the student from this table. So now we need to remove this row from the student table. So this is the query. This says delete from student where first name equals Natasha and last name equals Vimalasena. I'm executing this. Still the row is there. After refreshing, you can see the row has been removed from the table. Let's move to the next question. The next question is find out the details of all the students in this school. So now we need to find all these rows in the student table to get the details of all students. So let's write the query for that. This says select all from the database name dot student table. That's it. This says select all from student table. Let's execute this. You can see the student table is displayed here. The 9 rows of student table are here. Let's move to the next question. The next one is find the marks of mathematics subject of all the students in the first term. So we need to find marks of mathematics subject for first term only for first term of all the students. So let's write the query for that. So this is the query. The query is select marks from student exam mark record table, inner join subject table on subject ID in subject table. That means we should join this table with subject table's subject ID. Then inner join exam term on exam term ID equals term ID. That means we should join this column with exam terms ID column with this column. Then where subject name equals mathematics and term name equals first term. So by this query we can get the marks of mathematics of all the students in the first term. I'm executing this query. You can see the marks obtained by all the students are here. Let's move to the next question. The next is find all the marks obtained by all the students in the first term in Sinhala language and literature subject. So now we need to obtain marks of a Sinhala language and literature of students in the first term. So let's see the query. So this is the query. This is select marks from student exam mark record table, inner join subject on subject ID equals to subject table's subject ID, and inner join exam term table on exam term ID equals exam terms term ID, where subject name equals Sinhala language and literature and term name equals first term. So let's execute this. You can see the marks of students of first term is here. So let's move to the next question. The next question is Arunthadhy Vijayasinghe entered another school from this school before the first term examination due to receiving a scholarship. Therefore, remove the information on the student from the student table. So we need to remove the information of the student from this table. We should remove this 9th row from the table. Let's write the query for that. So this is the query for that requirement. Delete from student table where first name equals Arunthadhy and last name equals Vijayasinghe. So I'm executing this query. Still the row is here. After refreshing, you can see the 9th row has been removed from the table. So that's it for the day. We have completed all the requirements. We'll meet in my next video. Thanks for watching.